When DJI launched the Osmo Pocket 3, it immediately caught attention for one simple reason: how much power it packs into such a small device. It's a camera that fits easily in your hand, yet delivers cinema-level image quality that can rival much larger systems. With its 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K recording, and signature 3-axis gimbal stabilization, this tiny powerhouse is made for creators who want professional results without the bulk of traditional gear. Design and user experience. Should you wait for Pocket 4? Rumors hint that the Osmo Pocket 4 could feature dual lenses, improved autofocus, and 4K 240 frames per second recording. But with no official release date, likely late 2025 or even 2026, the Pocket 3 remains the best choice for creators who want results today. It's already refined, reliable, and versatile enough for nearly any shooting scenario. At first glance, the Osmo Pocket 3 feels sleek, premium, and extremely portable. It's built for people who are always on the move: vloggers, travelers, and solo filmmakers who want something that's ready at a moment's notice. Simply power it on, flip the touchscreen, and you're ready to shoot in seconds. The 2-inch rotatable display is one of its best features. It automatically adjusts between landscape and portrait modes, making it perfect for both YouTube and social media content. Whether you're capturing cinematic shots for your travel vlog or vertical clips for Instagram and TikTok, the Pocket 3 makes it effortless. Despite its small size, this camera doesn't compromise on image quality. The 1-inch sensor delivers impressive low-light performance and rich depth of field, giving footage that cinematic, professional look. DJI's rock-steady stabilization keeps every shot smooth and jitter-free, even if you're walking, running, or shooting handheld in tight spaces. The touchscreen interface is another win. It's fast, intuitive, and responsive, letting you adjust exposure, focus, and shooting modes with ease. It's clearly designed for creators who want to focus on storytelling, not on fiddling with complicated settings. Video and audio performance. When it comes to visuals, the Pocket 3 punches way above its weight. The image clarity, color accuracy, and dynamic range are exceptional for a device this compact. Low-light scenes remain clean with minimal noise, and DJI's renowned color science ensures natural skin tones and well-balanced highlights. Audio performance is solid too. The built-in microphones are great for everyday vlogging or quick commentary. But if you want professional-grade sound, the DJI Mic 2, included in the Creator Combo, takes things to the next level. It delivers crisp, clear, and consistent audio even outdoors, making it perfect for interviews or travel vlogs. What's good? The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is ultra-portable and incredibly easy to use, making it the perfect companion for creators on the go. Despite its compact, pocket-sized body, it delivers professional-quality video that rivals much larger cameras. Its smooth autofocus and reliable active track make solo shooting effortless, ensuring subjects stay sharp and perfectly framed. Switching between horizontal and vertical shooting is seamless, allowing you to adapt quickly for different platforms or styles. The strong integration with the DJI Mimo app makes editing and sharing your footage quick and simple, keeping your workflow smooth from capture to upload. With around 2 hours of battery life, extendable when using the battery grip, you can film longer without worrying about constant recharges. For content creators, it's a dream setup. Fast, flexible, and high quality, without needing a bulky rig or external monitor. What's not so great? No camera is perfect, and the Osmo Pocket 3 has a few trade-offs. Its slim design can feel a bit awkward for users with larger hands, and you'll likely want to use a tripod or grip for longer sessions. It's also not waterproof or rugged, so outdoor adventurers will need extra protection. While autofocus is generally reliable, it can occasionally lose track of moving subjects. The fixed 20mm lens limits framing flexibility since there's no optical zoom, and the 9-megapixel still photos are decent, but not groundbreaking. Long 4K recording sessions also drain the battery faster, and the price might be steep for budget creators. Is it enough for creators in 2025? Absolutely. For most vloggers, travelers, and solo filmmakers, the Pocket 3 checks nearly every box. It's compact, stable, and capable of stunning video straight out of the box. Unless you're a professional filmmaker who needs interchangeable lenses or multi-camera setups, this device offers everything you need to create high-quality, share-ready content effortlessly.
One of the biggest upgrades appears to be the sensor. The Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a much larger 1-inch imaging sensor, a significant step up from previous generations. Interestingly, reports suggest this sensor might be a tubed implementation, meaning it could be slightly cropped in order to fit inside the compact camera body. DJI has recently been moving towards square format sensors in other products, such as the Osmo Action 6 and Osmo 360, and the Pocket 4 may follow that same direction. If DJI does implement something like a 13.2mm by 13.2mm square sensor, it could unlock new possibilities, especially for vertical video. A square sensor would allow creators to shoot true 4K vertical content without losing detail or resolution, unlike the Pocket 3, which drops vertical resolution to 3K because of its traditional rectangular sensor. With the explosive growth of TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, this would be a major advantage, allowing creators to shoot in vertical format with no compromises. Video recording performance is also expected to see a massive jump. The Pocket 4 is rumored to support 6K recording at up to 30 frames per second. While not everyone will deliver content in 6K, the extra resolution will give editors more flexibility in cropping, reframing, or stabilizing their footage without degrading quality. For high-speed shooting, 4K at 120 frames per second is reportedly on the table as well, giving filmmakers and creators the ability to capture buttery smooth slow-motion footage directly in camera. If accurate, these upgrades would make the Pocket 4 competitive again in a market full of high-end action cameras and mirrorless systems that now offer similar frame rates and resolutions. Exposure and lens control may also see meaningful improvements. Some leaks suggest the camera could come with a variable aperture ranging from f/2.0 to f/4.0, allowing users to adjust exposure and depth of field more freely. However, other leaks claim that instead of a variable aperture, DJI may stick with a built-in 5-stop ND filter system. The current Pocket 3 already benefits from built-in ND filtration, and extending that capability could maintain optimal exposure in bright outdoor environments without forcing creators to carry additional accessories. If DJI chooses one system over the other, it may come down to complexity, reliability, and cost. But either approach is a welcome addition. Beyond imaging, the Pocket 4 is rumored to include several modern conveniences designed for professional workflows. Built-in storage is expected, likely 32 GB or more, with the option to expand using microSD media. A 10-bit D-Log-M color profile is also expected, giving creators a much wider dynamic range and more flexibility in color grading. Osmo audio support is also rumored, meaning the Pocket 4 could pair more seamlessly with DJI's Bluetooth wireless microphones. The upgraded specs suggest a likely price range of around $500 to $600, making it more expensive, but still competitively priced for a compact camera offering this level of capability. If these rumors turn out to be accurate, the DJI Pocket 4 could be a refined and highly impactful evolution of the series, with better resolution, stronger stabilization, improved sensor performance, and features that directly appeal to modern content creators.